Hey there, Zach from TPG, and this year at the Centurion Suite at the US Open, Amex has something really cool. We have this Speakeasy that's actually hidden behind a bookshelf. So Zach Griff here is going to demonstrate how to get in. You actually pull this Centurion book down from the bookshelf, and look at that. Magically, the door slides open. After you, Zach.
Do you enjoy a beverage with your drink tickets?
So we got drink tickets when we came in, just like every guest will. And you hand over your drink ticket to the bartender. And so we have a PDT, please don't tell cocktail here, called the Centurion Side, which has a mix of Bombay Sapphire Gin, lemon juice, simple syrup, mint leaves, and a lemon peel. So pretty quick cocktail. You get one drink ticket when you come into the Centurion Suite, so I would probably use it here. There's some great cocktails over at the main bar as well, but this is a pretty special experience, I would say. There we go, the shaker. Moment of truth coming up. And this is a pretty cool space as well. I'll show you a little bit around. We've got a mix of tennis memorabilia here. We've got some autographed, there's an autographed tennis ball by Andy Murray up there on the shelf. We've got Venus Williams on the USTA cover. And here we have our cocktail. Exactly. Oh, look at that. Centurion right there on the lemon peel. All right, Zach, let us know. How is it? The Centurion Side at the secret Speakeasy.
Delicious.
All right. One, please.